Breaking down Hololight Hub, what it is and why it matters. Hey there XR enthusiasts, I'm Luis and today I'm going to explain our latest product, Hololight Hub, in 90 seconds. Many industrial organizations face the challenge of ensuring consistent access to XR applications and workflows across their global workforce. That's why we've created a one-stop hub where users of an industrial organization can effortlessly log in and gain access to a wide range of industrial XR applications. XR apps can be easily uploaded and made instantly available on a wide range of devices. Hololight Hub is a highly scalable solution. Why is scalability crucial, you might ask? As the demand for XR applications increases and the number of users grows, organizations need to put in place a structure that can serve these needs. More possibilities and opportunities for innovation and collaboration will arise. In addition, Hololight Hub is about high performance and high security. And here, the XR streaming approach is fundamental. XR apps do not run on the devices themselves, but instead on a local server or the cloud. And this guarantees a high-quality visualization of the data. And XR streaming is also the reason why your apps are completely secure. With our solution, businesses can be sure that their operations are efficient and up-to-date, allowing them to maximize productivity and decrease costs. Do you want to learn more about it? Then click on the link below and check out our Hololight Hub.